will I am going to present a product that is of very good quality. As you can see, is a Sony camera which has many benefits as its memory card which have camera pictures and videos can be found in different colors as the mine which color is lit with the camera can take pictures of the events of the symbols of the children and family. Also the camera can use and pin people children or adults. Also previous use with a USB which we cannot pass photos the computer. Thank you.